To get started investing in real estate, there are three things you need to know. One is how to value property. What is it actually worth and how much should you pay? How do we attach value to an asset so we don't pay too much? Number two is how do you measure ROI? There are several ways to measure the return on our invested capital. Bring your financial calculator to class and we'll show you how. And the third one is how to limit risk. I'll be teaching these topics in 2 short courses coming up soon. So if you want to learn how to value a piece of property, how to measure your return, and how to keep your risk low, take these 2 Truck-Approved CE classes, Investing 101 and Investing 202. Simply follow the instructions on the screen, and these classes are also open to the public. My name is Lynn Morgan. I'm an author, investor, developer, and co-owner of the Real Estate Business School, where you get your license and learn to use it. This is the learn to use it part. I'll be your instructor for these 2 live Zoom classes. Thank you, and I'll see you in class.